Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will tell you how can you write a program to print first 10 natural numbers in reverse order using for loop. So for doing that you have to declare a for loop. So I will write here for I in range. So here the starting point will be 10 as we have to write in reverse order and then till 0, and we have to step back. So I will write here 1 and then I will write the value of print I. I will write the value of I. So this is a simple 2-line program which will print the first natural numbers in reverse order. So here you can see 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is how you can write a program to print natural numbers in reverse order. Even if you want it till 100, you can simply write here 100 and then run it. So here you can see the starting point is 100 and the ending point is 1. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.